Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we'll be talking about Visibook, a simple, powerful appointment scheduling software, as they claim, straight away when you land on their page visibook.com. We will go through some pros and cons. I'll tell you more about this product. We will also check the pricing so you know what you're investing into. So let's start what the Visibook is. Visibook is appointment booking software on a desktop or mobile scheduling app to set when you are available to be booked for an appointment. Customers can book appointments online using the app or any internet browser. Customers only see your availability. They cannot see other customers. Use your calendar, link in social media marketing. It's made for all types of businesses, small, medium, and even large enterprises, and they are providing very nice 24/7 live support. It runs on both Android and iOS, and when we are checking the pricing, we can see that they are providing Freemo, which we are going to start with, and then free up to 25 appointments per month, then $7 per month, 14 and 20. It's all about the appointments that you need to make. So let's start and log in into Visibook. First of all, we have to go into login. You can go with email and password or sign in with Google. You just allow all your basically APIs that you really are who you are claiming you are, and we are here. As you can see, there is nothing too busy going around in Visibooks. You have upcoming or past appointments, then recent calendars, and on the top right corner you have your account, which is considered of your settings. You can add this in Google Calendars, which is holidays in Slovakia or birthdays, that they will integrate it from your account. On this little lightning you have notifications, but there's nothing in there yet. You can check the calendars, but they are empty, and my calendar. We start away by clicking at my calendar. Then create your free Visibook calendar. And somehow I'm not really sure if this is working properly right now, because we lost the UI here, and here we are. It just took a while to reload all the calendars and set your availability. For customers to self-book, you must create availabilities. Click the calendar to set your availability. Don't show this again. Okay, so we are here. Wednesday, 26th of January 2022. And we can set the availability from, let's go a bit like this. At 10 plus, we can set the availability for 10 to 11. We click create, choose service to offer. For example, let's go with haircut. Type of appointment, individual. You don't really want to overlap appointments because you can't do 2 haircuts at the same time. Duration 1 hour, buffer time off, payment, let's go with 15. Type of payment, pay in full, and You click add and OK. Save. Straight away, you see that you are available from 10 to 11 for haircuts. Very easy. You can go at 11 as well. You can start away with appointment. Record a personal event. Now you can do all your calendaring in one place. You can record personal events like lunch to block your availability. Okay. Enter a name. Let's go with lunch. And for new customers, but first name, last name, we go with Andy, and we go with add. Yeah, and that's it. Book an appointment. On the left side, we have our menu. In menu, we have customers, which we created a couple of moments ago when we are trying to do the appointment. And it's called Andy. You can basically pinpoint everything you want in his account. You can edit the customers, as you can see, Andy. Andy Blue. Email we don't have. Maybe we have phone number, street address, and save. Yeah, this is invalid, but you know. And basically changes are saved. We click we are done, and go with appointment, haircut for 15. That's the service. And it's 1 hour. And that's about it. And like this, you can book the appointments, you can check the availability. And when you send the link to your, when we copy this link and we go and press it in, our customers can see where or when am I available. Very easy. We have providers. So far, it's just me. But if you have a co-worker or friend of yours who also is doing haircuts, or maybe he's trimming beards, you can add him up and he can start away with you. Then we have services, which are, for example, haircuts, but you can go with beard trimming. Let's go, it's gonna be 1 hour and 30 minutes. Payment 20 and save. Straight away, as you can see, we have beard trimming. Maybe you can add a different color and go like this. Then you just go and go with the appointments. You add more and more and more, so you have full calendar. There's online booking as well, and as I said before, if you copy this link, it's gonna be the great thing just to send to your customers, and you are ready to go. In settings, as I said, you can start by basically pimping out everything about your company, about yourself, when you are free, and so on and so on. We can go with different type of calendars. Also, we can check for today, also next week. As I said before, the most I would say the best thing about Visibook, it's really visible and very easy to operate in. So you can't really go wrong. Even if you are not that good with computers, there are basically like few clicks that are repeating. And once you learn how to create the appointment or set your availability, you basically won. And maybe copy the link. If you are up to 25 appointments a month, it's completely free. So it's one appointment a day. even with weekends. So if you are doing like after work, basically haircuts, you can use this one to fuel your business. And then if your business grows, you can just pay the subscription and just continue with more and more appointments. So guys, if you have any kind of questions about Visibook, please leave them underneath this video. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day.